Okay, so the next thing I want to show you, you can set the velocity mapping to is the feedback within a delay. Now I've got a pluck set up here, and I've created a pretty sparse couple of notes here, so that you can hear this effect. So this is good for something like maybe you've got a bridge into a breakdown, you've got a couple of little da-da-da plucks, right? And let's say, for example, you want the last pluck to have more delay on it or more of a feedback on the last note than the other ones. What we can do here is we can click to velocity. So this is the note, the pluck that I've got, just quickly. Now, let's bring this feedback down. And there's a little bit of delay there, but the feedback's really quite small at the moment. So if we go to velocity and then we go to a delay and we go to feedback and then we turn this right up, what's going to happen here now is when the velocity is low, there's going to be not a great deal of feedback. If I bring this right down, then when I press a note that's high, it's going to have a lot of feedback. Listen to this. So notice how that feedback is continuing on from this note. What I'll do is I'll play it here and then I'll bring this one down so you can hear the difference. Actually, let's play it here. So let's just play it around here. So hear how it's going further along there. It's cut off because of the mic setup that I've got here, but I'll just let you hear it and then listen to when it stops. So that's with the velocity right up. It kind of stops here. Now, if I bring this down, it'll stop earlier. So we can use this to create extra notes between a sparse kind of like 2-note melody. So as I say, this is good for sort of like if you've got a little da-da-da and then it continues to play on until the next one. For example, if I was to push these all the way over here, but I wanted some sort of space being filled up here during the bridge or wherever, any part of your track really, I could have this right the way up and sort of dial it in so that it kind of stops around here for the next notes to play. I could dial this up even more if I wanted it to continue on. Not that I probably would at this point, but just to show you. You can see there. So this is great for, as I say, filling in those spaces. Let's jump on to the next one.